Hello everyone, my name is Curtis. I'm the creator of this channel, SevynTech. My name is Sevyn in various places, and this channel is going to be about tech, so that's why I'm calling it SevynTech. If you're interested in PC builds, repairs, or troubleshooting, or really anything at all regarding tech, that's what this channel will be about. So to help jumpstart my channel, I've placed some local ads offering my PC services for free in exchange for documenting the entire process and sharing my knowledge with you viewers. So if you live near the Alabama and Mississippi state line on the Gulf Coast and you're interested in getting your PC fixed or one built, feel free to reach out and let me help you get your system up and running, and you can help me create some great tech content. Here's how it works. You provide the parts and I'll provide my expertise and labor, completely free of charge. You'll get a professionally built PC or professionally repaired PC. If you like, donations are appreciated but not expected. Donations would mostly go toward upgrading my production gear to further improve the channel or for spare parts for troubleshooting and repair. Thanks for watching this short introduction to my channel, and if you think I'll have some content that you'd be interested in, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help my channel grow and to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you.